Hi guys, welcome back to my vegan Provence. Today we are making a simple, versatile, gluten-free flour mix. Perfect for sponge cakes, biscuits, cookies, and all your home-baked pastries. Just with 6 ingredients, each one playing a special role. Let's break it down. Start with 200 grams of rice flour. It's light and neutral, giving structure without overpowering flavor. Next, 200 grams of buckwheat flour. Earthy and nutty, it adds depth and a touch of heartiness. 200 grams of potato starch. This keeps your bakes moist and tender, mimicking gluten's softness. 200 grams of cornstarch. Cornstarch will add crispiness and a delicate crumb. It's the secret to that perfect texture. 200 grams of tapioca starch. Tapioca starch binds everything together, adding chewiness and elasticity. Finally, 2 grams of xanthan gum. This is optional, but it helps mimic gluten stickiness if you want that extra structure. Skip it if you prefer. Now mix everything until well combined for 1 minute. Then transfer into an airtight container. This makes 1 kilo of gluten-free flour. Easy, right? Now you're ready for gluten-free cookies, sponge cake, shortbreads, biscuits, and many more. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe, and click on the notification bell to be notified when I publish new content. Until I see you in the next video, happy baking! And thank you for watching this video. See you, bye!